Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I finished the rims and they look absolutely incredible compared to what they looked like before. I cannot wait to see this on the wheel horse, which we're gonna show here pretty soon. But first I want to get all this sanded down, like all the paint stripped off of there, before I put that clean rim on that, because I don't want that to mess it up. Alright, so I got both sides sanded down enough to where it's smooth. I'm not going to be able to get all the paint off of it completely because it's just so difficult. That paint's on there real good. It's okay, I can paint over it anyway. It's not like anyone's going to see it. It'll be covered up by the wheel. Alright, let's put those repainted rims on there and see what this looks like. Alright, so I'm at the shop. I'm fixing to put the tires on the repainted rims. And I'm going to cheat with the machine today. Check that out! That looks so good. All right, there it is. Wow. It looks so good. I can't wait to see it with the wheel horse shiny red. Hopefully the battery ain't too dead. I know I've said it a million times already, but I just cannot believe how good those rims look on this thing. This is making me even more excited to see the entire thing restored, which is going to happen very soon. Alright, so it is a few days later. Today I want to start taking this thing apart. Now you may notice that the camera quality has significantly improved, and that's because it has. I just upgraded to the iPhone 13, but for a while I was using this camera, and it's pretty good, but the microphone quality ain't that good, and the video quality was just meh. But this iPhone the camera is so much better, and I'm sure the microphone is a lot better too. I haven't watched any videos from it yet. But then there's this extra wide camera. Wow. I can get the entire wheel horse in the frame even standing this close to it. So let's see how the wheel horse sounds through our new camera, or the iPhone 13. I'll remove all the body panels, including the hood and all of this maybe. And then I'm going to repaint everything that's off of it. And I don't think I'm going to remove the transmission. I think it'll just stay where it is. But I'll probably get a pressure washer and just spray down the entire frame. So let's go ahead and start taking this thing apart. Alright, so I brought the wheel horse up here. I have it up here. I'm going to take the rest of it apart. I mean, I've got maybe halfway through it. I've got to get this entire panel off of here. And then this wheel horse will be frame, engine, and transmission. The rest of it is in the back of the cart right here. Alright, so unfortunately, my other camera died. So I wasn't able to film the rest of my disassembling process. But we do have everything disassembled. And this is what the wheel horse looks like. Yes, that's pretty incredible how easy it is to take apart this thing. So this is what it looks like. It's extremely dirty. Like, very dirty, yeah. That is so sick. And I also figured out why the alternator was not charging the battery. Look at the rectifier. The wire is melted off of it. Yeah, see? The wire is melted off of the rectifier. That's why it was not charging the battery. So, good thing We're getting the whole thing completely rewired. Alright, so in the next video, we will start repainting all these parts. I know this video is probably not too long. It's probably not the most exciting video I've ever posted about the wheel horse restoration project, but the next video will be the one to be looking forward to, because everything in here will be shiny red when I'm finished with it. I hope you guys are looking forward to the next video of the wheel horse restoration. If you are, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I thank you guys for watching my videos and following me this far into the restoration project. And I hope you're looking forward to more, because we have a lot more awesome videos coming up. This is only the beginning. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.